As Dr. Sanjeev has said that the role of radiologists will go away with the coming of AI. That was what was being thought. But as he correctly said, in fact, the role has increased. From the time when the only imaging was X-ray, I think that would be maybe around in the late 70s. I think that would be around that time, in the late 70s, before the advent of ultrasound. So that was the only imaging system that was being used by the doctors. And radiologists were ones who people did not recognize, as I say. I remember, I don't know if I've told this before, when I just entered politics, some people were still with the thought that it was just X-ray. Because in the designation we write Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh. And the election propaganda was, oh, he's not a doctor, he's a photographer. Photo kapag check ng mga doctor ni, photo doctor ni, doctor is not a medical doctor. So that was that was a propaganda that was being spread, by one of the candidates. Rather than feeling bad about it, I laughed it out because it was, I would say, it was knowledgeable of them to know the role that radiologists play. Anyway, that's how things went about. But ultimately, people realized the importance, the grassroots people realized the importance of radiology, and it's expanding on a daily basis. As was rightly said, this artificial intelligence, in the time of artificial intelligence, has really made things improve in this field in leaps and bounds. And now, as was rightly said, this interventional radiology has taken a big role in the management of patients and in the management of many diseases and the management of many patients. And as the theme goes about that, imaging with precision and healing with a purpose. I think this is apt for this conference as well. I think the context, I think I'll just put it in English because many of the invitees will not be understanding manipuri. If we talk about the doctors and the fraternity in our state, we've been facing a lot of brickbats, I should say, from the public of what should be done and what should not be done. I think what we need is we should all sit together through the medical organization and other, dealing with only medical, I should say, and try and find out the solution. Because we know that how sincere the doctors are working day and night. And there has been a lot of issues about doctors being allowed private practice